watching this video, you want to know what is paradigm and how can paradigm change your life and how does paradigm affect your life? What is the best and the fastest way to change your paradigm and create miracles in your life? Keep watching. I'll be sharing some key powerful concepts. Hi, I'm Ashish Juneja, an HR professional turned academician turned entrepreneur and miracle life and mindset coach on a mission to create miracles in your life and 10x your results through miracle life and mindset. Point number one, what is paradigm? Paradigm is nothing but a way or pattern of doing something. It's just a way or a pattern that you have borrowed from your genes and through your environment. Even when you were in your mother's womb, your paradigm was being formed up. So 9 months, during your 9 months when you were in the mother's womb, your paradigm was being formed up. Your way of working, your thoughts about your money, relationship, wealth, health, anything and everything, your pattern, it was being formed up. It's being said that your life till 7 years, 95% of your subconscious is already formed. And 5% right now, whatever we are using in our life, the only power we have right now to change something in our life is through 5%, and that is through subconscious brain, conscious brain. And 95% is subconscious that cannot be changed in a day. So every day you need to form new neurological framework. Let's understand from this very, very simple, easy concept. Let's say you are in a city, a crowded city. So you find a lot of traffic jams. So when you are in a city and you find a lot of traffic jams, what does the government do? What the government do is the government now finds for a bypass lane or a bypass way. So in that case, a new highway is being built or a new bypass is being built. So a new way is being shown to the vehicles. So now vehicles, instead of moving into the city, they move out through the city and they pass the city through a different route. So in the same way, every day, whatever you read, hear, learn, whatever you bring to your self-awareness and try to change that. And the moment you try to change that through affirmations and then a new neurological framework is formed up. Now, what is affirmation? Affirmation is nothing but confirmation to your conscious brain that this is. Let's say I say that money comes to me easily and effortlessly. This is one of the affirmation. If I use it 20 times a day or 30 times a day or 50 times a day or 100 times a day, it will seep into my conscious to subconscious, and that will become my habit. So my subconscious, let's say if my subconscious is right now programmed to think that money is difficult to earn. Now, after being my conscious affirmations for a very long period of time and slow new formations, my subconscious will feel and think and see that yes, now it is visible and possible and money comes easily and effortlessly. Now, if you want to create more miracles in your life and generate a lot of value or money in the marketplace, I'll tell you 3 key concepts. The very first concept is you need to find out what is the need for what you are doing. So whatever skill or knowledge or expertise you have, try to find out what is the need in the marketplace. And the second point is what is your ability to serve your marketplace? How able you are? What is your ability? And the third point is how irreplaceable you are in the marketplace. So it's all about 3 points. Keep sharing with the people. If you found this video powerful, share it with the people on your time and let the other people know what is paradigm and how it can affect your life and how it is very important to change your paradigm and how can paradigm be changed. I'll be bringing some more videos. Keep sharing, keep commenting and just letting me know. I'm just recollecting the few key concepts. Number 1, paradigm is very important. Bring to your self-awareness what is a limiting factor in your life. Whatever is a limiting factor in life, start to change it with some affirmations. Second point, look at the need of whatever you do in the market. Second point, what is your ability? And the third very important point, try to become irreplaceable in your marketplace. Become the best version of yourself in the marketplace. Now, then in that case, miracle will start to happen. Abundance is going to happen. Abundance, you will actually manifest abundance and everything in your life. Keep sharing, keep watching, keep commenting. This is Ashish Juneja, your Miracle Mindset Coach, signing off for the day. Thank you.